Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will cover the Subcontract Control Module. The Subcontract Control Module provides an effective method for managing subcontracts in tandem with job budgets. In this tutorial, we will cover how to enter and update subcontracts and how to utilize the process to provide oversight for paying subcontractors. As mentioned, subcontracts works in tandem with job budgets. It is generally recommended to create the job's budget prior to entering the subcontract. However, if it hasn't been created, BIS will allow you to add the corresponding cost code to the job budget on the fly while creating the subcontract. You may also refer to our tutorial on creating a job budget and change orders. To access subcontracts, select the Subcontracts link in the white area of the My Desktop Subcontract module, or go to Job and select Subcontracts in the menu. Note that unlike accessing a transaction screen or a master records screen, the subcontract screen does not default as if you're creating a new record or transaction. The screen has last use memory. Use the Find feature or VCR buttons to select the existing job. Once the desired job is selected in the subcontracts form, notice the 4 tabs at the top. The Job tab provides general information from the job's master record. Select the Subcontracts tab. To create a subcontract, click the Insert button in the lower right. When the subcontract form appears, first enter or select the cost code. Note that when clicking on the magnifying glass adjacent to the field, it provides a prompt with 2 options allowing you to select from either the job budget or the cost code library. The cost code description will auto-populate once selected. Next, select or enter the vendor ID. When clicking on the magnifying glass adjacent to that field, it will allow you to select or search from the current list of vendors. Contact name, workers' comp, and insurance expiration dates will populate from the vendor's master record. BIS will provide an alert if any dates are expired. If the subcontract is tied to a budget change order, again, enter or select the budget change order. Enter the subcontract amount and retention percent. Preliminary notice information may be entered. Note that both the preliminary notice and the notes field will allow for as much information as required. As with the budget form, buttons in the lower left are available to add a new subcontract to the job by clicking the new icon, or scroll through the job's existing subcontracts using the VCR buttons, or delete a subcontract with the delete icon. After the initial subcontract information is entered, save and close the form using the buttons in the lower right. Once the subcontract work begins, the completed percent or completed dollar amount may be entered and updated as needed along with the work completed date. Entering a completed percent will calculate the complete dollar amount and vice versa. The subcontract module is designed in part to provide oversight and to facilitate communication between project managers and the accounts payable personnel. As costs are incurred, generally in the form of invoices from the subcontractor, it is incumbent that accounts payable verifies with project managers that the work and amounts invoiced have been completed prior to issuing payment. The subcontract report is most often the facilitator for that information. Let's examine the subcontract report for a moment. Select the Subcontract Report link in the blue area of the My Desktop Subcontract module, or go to Reports, Jobs, Subcontract, and select Subcontract Report in the menu. First, on the Report Query form, make note of the Show Header Only option. When it is checked, only the header information appears on the report. And second is the Show Invoice Payments option available on the Report Query form. Both the detailed and extended report types provide pertinent information for evaluating subcontract invoices and payments. On the report query, set the report type to extended, and in addition to the desired job type options being checked, make sure the Show Header Only is unchecked and Show Invoice Payments is checked. Then preview the job example. When viewing the report, the header portion at the top provides the job and vendor information along with the preliminary notice. The next section provides a summary of the subcontract work completed information, amount, work completed, and date completed, etc., as entered on the subcontract form. Below the subcontract information will appear any costs incurred as either vendor invoices or job cost adjustments, along with payments issued and back charges, if any. By design, the subcontract work completed information is not automatically updated when invoices are entered to ensure no oversights occur in this area. Once confirmation is received, payment may be issued and the work completed information is then easily updated on the subcontract form, which will in turn appear on the report. Note that there are other reports available in the subcontract module to assist in managing subcontract information, including the subcontract list, which provides a summary breakdown of jobs with subcontracts, also specific reports for back charges, change orders, invoices, cost and insurance-related reports. For details on the subcontract back charge process, please refer to the tutorial Creating a Subcontract Back Charge.